Welcome. In the previous video, we will speak about how to make data entry for date and time. And here we will speak about format for date and time, but by details. Say if I write here the data entry for date, for the shape, and for the shape. How I select the shape I need to enter the data. I just can click here if I need, or click by column and right click format cell and go to the date. Date, you can write it like this. This means 3 and 4. He will give you only 2 about slash, or you can write like this. This is the day and this is the month, and after this the day, and after this the year, but only 2 number. Okay, or you can like to the other one like this, March, or as you like. If I make this, okay, he will give me the month and the number of day and the year. Okay, I can select this also, or select by column format cell. From this I can go to date time for the date and select, or select by other country, or I can go to make custom and select one of the shape. When you select here, he give you preview for what he will make. This you can make here. If you make D/D, he will put the day. After this month, you can make day and make, you can put double day. Say if you put 3D and make semicolon, he will give you this the day name. If you put 4D, he will give you the complete name for the day. You can select. After this you can make double click here, as we know previous. It coming like this. Okay, now if I speak about this time, you can select, and the same thing, you go to format cell, and from the time he will give you time and select what you need. If I need this is 24-hour format, or this PM and AM, you can select this. And here, if you make this not 9, if you make this 16, okay, he will write here 16, but by here he will give you BM, or you can select to return to the previous one like this 24, and it will come like this. This about format for date, and you can go to the I explained before how to make data entry for the time and the date. It will be found in the playlist. Thank you.